Anhui Changjiang Fasteners Company Limited was completed and put into production in 2005. It's a leading enterprise for producing and selling high-strength bolts for steel structures. Our CJFP brand bolts have become a well-known brand in China. People-oriented and technology ahead is our operation principle. Deeply implement the management policy of continuous improvement and pioneering innovation, with advanced manufacturing technology, perfect testing equipment, and strong technical force to provide customers the first-class and advanced products and service. CJFP brand products may have high-strength hex head bolts, torque shear bolts, weld studs for steel structures, EN standard high-strength bolts, steel tie rods and pipes, anchor bolts, lock bolts, waterproof end caps, etc. Widely used in high-rise steel structure constructions, industrial buildings, public buildings, bridges, railways, all kinds of venues, airports, amusement facility, automobiles, power plants, petrochemicals, and other fields. Application as following famous projects: Beijing National Stadium, National Library of China, Shanghai World Financial Center, Canton Tower, Guangzhou South Railway Station, and Saudi Jeddah International Airport, Hubei Bowl, Hunan Yiyang Ocean City Ferries Well, Hangzhou Bay Bridge, Hong Kong Bridge, Dangdu River Hydropower Station, Nanhai Waste Incineration Power Plant, and so on. Famous projects at home and abroad. We cooperated with Shanghai Fastener Technology Research Institute, hired top experts to set up R&D teams, adheres to the development ideas of production, study, research, and application, focuses on the research and development of new fastener products. The R&D products include high-strength bolts with delayed fracture resistance, automobile bolts, stainless steel bolts, American standard bolts, German standard bolts, and Japanese standard bolts, and so on. In the past 2 years, we got about 30 related patents. Our product's quality at the leading level in China. It has passed the national ISO 9001-2016 Quality Management System and the European Standard CE System certification. The product has been tested and certified by the State Administration of Quality Supervision, the Institute of Fasteners and Welding Materials Technology, and the MCC Research Institute, and such as these test organizations, and have been evaluated as an industry-recommended product by the Association of Metal Structure Industry, which is the authority organization by Chinese metal structure industry. We have successfully owned China's well-known trademark, Anhui famous trademark, Anhui High-Tech Enterprise, Anhui Integrated Enterprise, Metal Structure Industry Integrated Enterprise, and many application projects obtained Luban Prize, Tianyuan Prize, National Quality Engineering Award, and so on honors. On the successful way, must try our best. Face to the new age development trend, CJFP will always adhere to the spirit of fine craftsmanship and is willing to be the top runner of steel structure connection industry. Let CJFP and grain building grow up together.